Hi guys, it's Tiffany. Today I stuck to my rules and I did not trade in the first 15 minutes. And um, I was into shorts at the same time as DKNG and SRNE, basically both very similar strategies. The this I waited till the 15-minute candle closed, and this isn't the cleanest candle for a 15-minute opening range breakout. However, I took it anyways based on the 1 minute chart and how it sold off at the open, and then it came back and tested this 9 moving average and on low volume. And so when it went short right here after the 15-minute candle closed, it also there were quite a few bids lining up. So I went ahead and took it short. And then this 32.47 level is, as you can see on the daily, a few days ago, it was the close, and that's where I got that level from. And I partialed there, and then I got stopped out at break even. Same exact thing happened to SRNE. As you can see, not a super clear, not a super great 15-minute candle. Even this 5-minute wicked up, and on the 1 minute it came up, tested the VWAP, and then was making new lows, and then came up and was testing this 9 moving average. I went short once again, got a quick partial, and then it came up and stopped me out at break even. And then my third and final trade of the day was called out in the chat room. It was called out because it was looking, it was pretty extended on the 5-minute chart, and then the volume came in right here on the 1 minute, right before about 10:15. By the time I looked at it, it was already dipping here, and I saw it as kind of a double top, and the second top couldn't get as high as the first, and it's kind of also a loose head and shoulders here. I decided to go short after it attempted to make that second top, and it made a new low, mostly because of this first candle right here that couldn't quite reach, or barely reach 16, and on such high volume. And when it couldn't make another high on this second attempt, I went short. My first profit was the low of the previous 5-minute candle. And then, and I know I should have waited and just went ahead and had my first partial at this this 9 moving average on the 5-minute. That's typically where my first profit target is when I take these reversals. But I think because of the two, how everything was trading this morning, I don't know. I felt like I needed to take profit quicker. So anyhow, I partialed at this 9 moving average right here on the 5-minute, and then again at the VWAP, and then this moving average on the 5-minute. This is the 20, and finally, I partialed at this below this previous a previous high, but it just busted through that. So I waited for a second, and I thought it was going to try to make it to this moving average right here, which it did make it to the 15-minute moving average, the 20 on the 15. When it came back up and tested the VWAP, I added to my position. When it came back up, it it failed pushing through this 100, or excuse me, this is the 200 moving average on the 1 minute. And when it failed to do that and the 100 moving average, I added to my position. And then this became extremely choppy after that. And it lost all volume, and it was super choppy. So I went ahead and exited my position right before it actually went down. There was a huge bid at $15, and that's what I was hoping to get to, but I went ahead and exited this early. But anyhow, those were my trades for this Friday. I hope you all had a wonderful Friday and you have a good weekend, and I'll see you Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye.